my name's Colin.
Hi, my name's Mark.
Hi, my name is Sweet. And hi, my name is Claire. And together, we are the Team Color. Yay!
Hi guys, it's that time again for some unboxing. So let's see what we are unboxing today. Oh wow, look at this. We have a solar powered CCTV camera. Okay, so it's Wi-Fi, it connects to all your so you can to your Wi-Fi, watch it on your phone, or it's got a memory card, everything in it. But the best thing about it is there is no wiring needed because it's done by a solar panel with its own batteries. So let's have a look at it inside the box. Okay, so let's have a look. Here we go. Okay, first things first is we have the aerial, the Wi-Fi. These are the batteries. They're not AA's, they are big batteries because these are actually 3.7 volts each and there is 2 of them. Okay, we have all the fixtures and fittings and there's also a cable here if you want to pre-charge these. Okay, we have the wall bracket, okay, which is metal and the camera sits on there. You just fit and alter it. Okay, so let's get the main unit out. Okay, so this is the main unit. Okay, it's waterproof. We've got the gasket as well. It goes on top for all the waterproofing. Inside here, okay, I will show you quickly. This is where the batteries go. That is the USB charger. Okay, and that is a memory card slot. So you don't have to watch it all the time on your phone. It will record on there. Okay, it's the front of the camera. Okay, it's censored as well, and that's the camera as well. And down here we have the nighttime for the illumination. I'll do a quick demonstration for you. Okay, what you need to do to set it all up is you need to scan the QR code there. Okay, on your phone, and it will download the app, set it all up for you. This has also got a voice in it as well, so you can speak to somebody. It's two-way active in case somebody's coming near your car or near your house. You can go, excuse me, what are you doing? There we go. Okay, and that's how clear it is. I don't know whether it'll do it again. Okay, obviously it's got 2. Okay, we have a blue light to say it's going to be ready for pairing. Okay, I haven't paired it yet. I need to do it. Okay, so it runs off these 2 big batteries, which has got plenty of power, and it will stay there forever. And plus, being it's solar panels, okay, you never need to worry about it going flat, and it'll give you crystal clear pictures all the time. Especially it's got a 4mm lens on it, which is very, very good. So there we go. That's a little project of mine later on to put up. Okay, so we'll pack it all away. Okay, we've got the guide here as well for the registration. Put the wall bracket back in. And that back in. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you very much. Bye.